Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for rental property management. To begin, set up a dedicated company file for your rental business. This ensures clear separation from personal finances. Next, create individual customer jobs for each property you manage, perhaps using the property address. Finally, establish specific income and expense accounts tailored to rental operations, such as rent income and repair expenses, for accurate tracking from day one. Effectively managing rental income is crucial. When tenants pay rent, record these payments as sales receipts or invoices within QuickBooks. For security deposits, it is vital to categorize them as a liability, not income, as they are typically refundable. Be sure to accurately track any additional income, such as late fees or pet fees, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. This meticulous approach provides a clear financial picture of your rental operations. Recording expenses accurately is key to understanding your profitability. Enter all property-related costs, such as maintenance, utilities, and property taxes as they occur. Utilize the class feature in QuickBooks to assign each expense to its specific property, providing detailed insights. Aim to reconcile your bank accounts monthly. This critical step ensures all transactions are recorded correctly and helps catch any discrepancies, maintaining precise financial records for your rental business. QuickBooks empowers you with powerful reporting tools. Regularly run profit and loss reports for each individual property to assess its financial performance. Analyze your cash flow to understand the movement of money in and out of your rental business, identifying trends and areas for improvement. These comprehensive reports are invaluable for tax preparation and making informed business decisions, helping you optimize your rental property portfolio for long-term success and profitability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.